Hey Snohomish County, I am super excited to bring to you a very affordable condo in Everett. It's not too far from Boeing. It has access to the swimming pool, a one-car attached garage. I can hardly wait to show it to you, so let's go check it out. So guys, what did you think? I just love that it's set off of a little side street and then tucked back in this neighborhood, so it's nice and quiet and it feels private, but you're really close to access to Boeing and the freeways, a super great location. If you would like to schedule a private tour, give me a call on my cell phone, and if you have any real estate needs, give the Lisa Bender team a call where you get old-fashioned service using today's tech. And until I get a chance to talk to you, take good care. Bye-bye.